When most people picture an automotive franchise, they picture a repair bay, oil changes, tires, brakes. That's a real part of the category. It's a small part. There's a second side of the automotive business built around how a vehicle looks, feels, and holds up over the years you own it. If you're researching automotive franchise opportunities, that side probably isn't what your search results are showing you. So what counts as an automotive franchise? The franchise category covers repair, oil changes, tires, car washes, and fuel. It also covers businesses focused on vehicle appearance, protection, and personalization, which is where a window tinting franchise or an automotive restyling franchise sits. FranData counted more than 130 active automotive franchise brands in 2025, running over 19,100 locations. General auto repair made up the largest share, so most of what you'll see when you search is one kind of business. If you want the other kind, you have to go looking for it. How big is this category, really? The International Franchise Association's 2026 Economic Outlook projects automotive franchise output of roughly $41.3 billion. The 2025 SEMA Market Report put U.S. consumer spending on accessorizing and modifying vehicles at about $52.65 billion in 2024. Those two figures measure different things. One is franchised output. The other is consumer spending across the whole specialty equipment market, franchised and independent. Hold them next to each other anyway. What Americans spend making vehicles more protected and more personal isn't a niche. And unlike repair, almost none of it gets spent under a recognized national brand. That gap is the opportunity. So why are drivers spending more to protect what they own? The average age of a car or light truck on U.S. roads reached a record 12.8 years in 2025, according to S&P Global Mobility. When people keep vehicles that long, protecting the paint and the interior starts to make obvious financial sense. Protection and personalization used to be separate purchases. Now, they're the same conversation. A shop that can only do one of them has one answer. A shop that can do all of them solves the whole problem in a single visit. Which raises a fair question. What is an automotive restyling franchise? It's a business built to protect, enhance, or personalize vehicles rather than repair them mechanically through services like window tint, paint protection film, ceramic coatings, and wraps. Black Optix Tint is built around 5 of those categories: automotive window tint, paint protection film, ceramic coatings, color change wraps, and commercial and residential window film. Those 5 streams reach 3 customer markets: drivers, homeowners, and commercial properties. The residential and commercial film work isn't an add-on bolted on later. It's there from day one. So how does Black Optix Tint compare to the rest of the automotive franchise category? Repair-first businesses run on mechanical diagnosis and emergency work. Nobody's car gets towed in here. People book because they decided they wanted something, which is a different customer and a different technician to hire. A tint-only shop runs on one offering. Black Optix Tint combines tint with paint protection film, ceramic coatings, color change wraps, and architectural film for homes and buildings. A slow season in one service isn't a slow season for the location. The work is also highly visual. Tint, PPF, coatings, and wraps produce a result the customer sees the moment they walk outside, and that becomes content, reviews, and referrals. And how does it compare to opening an independent shop? An independent operator keeps complete autonomy and builds everything from nothing. The brand, the training standards, the vendor relationships, the pricing, and every operating procedure. A Black Optix Tint franchise starts with those in place, inside a protected territory, with site selection guidance, store layout planning, and marketing resources. Prior tinting experience isn't required because technical and business training, launch support, and ongoing coaching are part of the model. Behind it is United Franchise Group, with 4 decades of franchising experience and a global network. Black Optix Tint was also shortlisted for Best Auto Services Franchise, Single Market, in the 2026 Global Franchise Awards. No franchise removes business risk, but if you want exposure to the automotive market without running a repair shop, and you'd rather start from a playbook than write one, this is the part of the category worth your attention. That's the difference. Black Optix Tint is a window tinting and automotive restyling franchise with 5 revenue streams, 3 customer markets, and protected territories. Go to blackoptixtintfranchise.com to see available territories and request the franchise disclosure document.